Hey. Let's get started in our journals. You got your pencil? Check. Let's open up your journal to a new clean page. Remember, my favorite first graders, even if you already worked on this side, you can use the back side of your pages too. Today I'm going to use this back side. Zoom in for you. And we always start with today's date. Give me a 2. Give me an 18. And the year? 2021. If you've got the date, thumbs up. Let's move on to our next step. Our instructions tell us to please watch the teacher video to draw, color, and complete this sentence stem. Read it with me. Alexander Graham Bell was important because ... The ... dots mean this sentence is not done. You will have to fill it in with your answer of why Alexander is important. But we're all going to get started together. Save the space up top for a beautiful picture of the inventor, Mr. Bell. And come to your first line. We always start with a capital letter to begin a sentence, but now it's a name, so it definitely needs a capital letter. Capital A. We're all writing Alexander. Say his name while you write it. Listen to the sounds. Alex and der. Everybody check his first name with me. Capital A. Alexander. Beautiful. Finger space. The next word is Graham. That's also part of his name, so it has a capital G. Give me a G. Graham. Now, Graham is a funny spelled name. It looks like gray ham. Graham. Alexander Graham. Finger space. His last name, Bell. Give him a capital B. B-E-O-O. Check that we have his name spelled correctly with a capital A, Alexander, capital G, Graham, capital B, and Bell. Alexander Graham Bell was. I've got space here for was, but check your paper. Do you have space for was? Or you can move to the next line. Don't cry, just move on down. Alexander Graham Bell was important. Repeat the word. Important. And spell the word. Or important. Important. Finger space. Because. Because. I'm not going to put my period here because this is not the end of the sentence. Alexander Graham Bell was important because blank. You have to use your brain, remember those Pebble Go facts, and complete your sentence of why this man was important. After you've given me the reason he's important, period on the end of that sentence. We still need a picture. We'll draw up top and we'll add color to show what did this man do, why was he important. If you don't remember, don't stress yourself out. Here I've included some pictures to help you when you start your illustration and to remember what did Alexander do. Remember, this is the first ever phone call. Good job. And here he is inventing the telephone. Excellent. You can pause here on this slide to help draw your picture of Alexander when he's younger with dark hair or when he's older with his white, long beard. And if you need some help with some words, you can come here to our first slide, where you see here the word invention. Here's another word, phone. Both of those will be useful in explaining to me why Alexander is important. Everybody, when you are done, your journal will have a beautiful sentence with a reason and a period on the end. You'll have an illustration up top with color of Alexander Graham Bell and what did he do. You've got the dates. Then you are ready. Photo time to snap a quick pic and upload to your teacher on Google Classroom. Nice job learning about the telephone today. I'll see you tomorrow and we'll talk about the light bulb. Adios, amigos.